And here she is, my 2017 World Rally Blue Subaru WRX STI. This is exactly what I envisioned. I think the black, the World Rally Blue, and the chrome accents, which are the badges around the car, look really clean. I replaced all the reservoirs around the car with these black Grimspeed caps. So washer fluid, coolant reservoir, power steering up there, and the brake reservoir up here. We're just missing the oil cap, which I'll be throwing on to complete the video and to complete the engine bay. Let's check out the dipstick. This is the dipstick I was talking about that I just painted. I masked up all the portions you don't see up to, I would say, about here, and made sure the O-ring was covered. And all this is VHT high temp black paint. I think it came out really good, and honestly, it gets the job done. Call it rice, but I think it looks pretty clean. Only thing left to do is to throw on the oil cap, and this car is pretty much set. And here it is. This is the oil cap all the way from Japan. Here are the instructions for it. Not that there's many instructions. All we have to do is take that one out, replace the O-ring, put it onto the new one, and that'll be it. Here's the part number if you guys are interested in it. Just gotta take it off real quick. I'm gonna use both hands to get the O-ring off, put it onto the new oil cap, put it back, and I think we're all done. Getting the O-ring off the OEM oil cap onto this one wasn't the hard part. It was getting it off the original one to begin with. Now there's nothing left but to just screw it on. I just think it looks so nice with the engine bay. I'm really happy with how everything came out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think of the engine bay. I think the blue, chrome, and black, like I had said earlier, looks super clean. Until next time, catch you in the next video.